Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the great pumpkin seed. It is limited and it is unfortunately not in stock yet. It's been a few days since it was kind of released, but it has not been restocked at all. So my tip for you is obviously to join Discord servers with pings so that when you're not in game, you're able to see when the great pumpkin seed has been restocked. It has a plant ability, which I think is new. We haven't gotten any plant ability yet. So basically, every 5 minutes mutates a plant with ghostly, which I think is pretty sick. So there will be a part 2 on this update, I think. So I think the other way for you to get it is hopefully when there is the admin abuse this week, they'll take they'll give you like the seed. So yeah, that is how you can get the I keep forgetting the name, great pumpkin seed in Grey Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.